we fufu chopper machine nti ya be connect na ya hwese besifa aye adwuma afa fufu chopper machine. This is food chopper so ya be hwe on buttons no power button na wo ho no mienu no one is for low speed and the other one is for high speed. Nti se wo ya mo fufu na umia one so a ebe ma low speed na umia two no so ebe ma high speed. Nti se wo ya mfufu a obehwe se ubemia one no so eno no ema no efficient so ahoden a wo motor no nyina ejina one no nti o ma no low high, that's the second speed na eno abra emuna afe no na wamia eno so we a food chopper 230 volts 50-60 Hz 2200 watts. That's the power consumption. So we are now connecting it to the line and check whether it is working or not. Until my connecting my wires no my cable no, that's my two cables, that's the live and neutral me the ama chopper no I'm connecting. I'm just trying to press the speed 1 and also the speed 2 to identify whether it will work, and now you can testify how the motor is functioning. So it means this motor is not faulty, and it's working properly. So this is engineering hacks. So anything concerning about machines, I'll be bringing you on this particular channel. So please kindly subscribe me, like, comment, and also share this video as we'll be getting more updates, and I'll give you more hacks on your electrical appliances, how to solve it. Thank you for watching.